These instructions are to help you install 360 wide-drop Sidedress row kits onto your toolbar applicator. For this installation, you'll want to have a 15/16 deep well socket, as well as a torque wrench on hand. The toolbar breakaway and wide-drop mounting bracket are a single piece. When mounting the bracket to the bottom side of the toolbar, ensure it is oriented in a way that makes so the breakaway will break back towards the back of the bar. Slide the U-bolt over the top of the bar and down through the mounting bracket. Install washers and nuts on the front and back of the U-bolt.
Tighten the nuts with a 15/16 socket and wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten.
Please note, there is a transport pin installed on the breakaway that keeps it locked to the mounting bracket. When running in the field, make sure to have the transport pins removed to allow the breakaways to trip back if needed. The 12-inch riser tube has 3 holes in it, 1 on top and 2 on the bottom. Slide the bottom of the riser over the base unit and secure it with a pin through the bottom hole. The 2 remaining holes on the riser tube, along with the 3 holes in the tube on the back of the breakaway, will give you several operating heights to choose from. Slide the pin through the hole on the riser and breakaway for whatever height you prefer. Slide the drag hoses onto the stainless steel hose barbs located at the back of the base unit. Orient the hoses so the natural curve of the hose is bending out towards the rows. Secure the drag hoses by tightening the provided hose clamps. The fitting on the top of the base unit is a female quick connect. You can use the provided hose adapters to connect your 3/8-inch supply line to the base unit. Do this by installing the 3/8 hose barb into the bottom side of your supply line. Secure the hose barb with the provided hose clamp. Twist the male quick connect fitting into the female side on the base unit. Please note that since wide-drop Sidedress allows you to operate the toolbar higher off the ground, we recommend extending the outer gauge wheel arms as tall as they'll go. And with that, your wide-drop Sidedress row unit installation is complete.